Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add a clickable link to your Instagram post in 2025 step by step. Now, first of all, you need to come here on instagram.com in your PC or in your web browser, or you can also follow the same steps in your Instagram mobile application. Now over here, when you click on the option of your profile, you are going to see all of your posts that you have posted previously. You can also start uploading a new post in order to get further option. Now there is one thing that I would like to tell you, that Instagram still doesn't support any kind of clickable links in the regular post captions. That means even if you paste a website link in the captions, it is just going to appear as a plain text and it will not be clickable. But don't worry, you can still add some of the links that are going to work and almost going to do the same thing. So once you are here on your profile, simply click on the option of edit profile option here on the top. Over here you will find this website option, so you will have to simply just paste the website link over here. Now as you can see, it is showing me that editing your links is only available on your mobile. So in your Instagram mobile, this link or the website option will be activated. So you need to simply paste the URL over here. It can be any of the URL, like for your YouTube channel, for your online store, or any of the page that you want your followers to visit. So once you have added it over here, simply click on the option of submit or save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and whichever link you are going to add over here, it will come on your profile page just like so. So whenever someone clicks on that link, they are going to basically redirect where you want to redirect them. Now if you want your clickable links on the stories, this is the best thing that you can do. So here click on the option of stories here. After that, upload your photo. In your stories you will get a sticker that is called link, so you can select that particular sticker and add the link in your stories. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.